Yeah.
I'm recording it. You want to put him down? You want to put him down? You think?
Sure. Okay, let's see what
Murphy.
happens.
Murphy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Isn't that cool? We just had a cat earlier, and they were good, and then the cat got a little afraid. But he's like this all the time.
What do you think, Tugboat? You know,
How?
you didn't get a hiss, so...
Yeah.
Murphy's just so big. Tugboat's like, I want out.
Murph.
Tuggy.
Murphy. Come.
Tugboat. Come on, boy.
Ah, cute.
He has arthritis.
He's calling you. You're a good boy. Oh, you're so good. You're so good.
Oh, how cute.
You're so good.
You know, he doesn't want me.
Has he ever met another dog?
Not that I know of.
That's so cool.
I've
Oh,
only
you're
had
so
him for
good.
2 years.
Oh, okay. But sometimes Murphy seems like he's a cat too. He sleeps all day. Isn't that amazing? They're like, is that real? A dog and a cat?
Well, when people see him from a distance, you know, I take him in a stroller and I don't have to zip it up. He doesn't get down. They think it's a dog.
Look, he's rubbing next to Murphy. Rub Murphy. Oh, cool.
Murphy was rubbing him?
He was rubbing Murphy. Isn't this cool? The first time meeting.
Oh my goodness.
This is the first time meeting and they're doing great.
How cute. They're so nice.
See, they can get along.
I'm really impressed.
Murphy's really curious. But
Yeah.
he's good though. He's like,
Well, he can probably smell all my cats.
So what's the kitty's name?
Tugboat.
Of course it is!
oh look, he's gonna be laying down.
Putting a play.
Oh my goodness.
Tug's like, alright, I checked the place out. It's cool.
Now he's relaxed.
It's comfortable.
Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Isn't he good, Murphy?
You need Murphy to sit down.
Murph.
Leave it.
Murph. Murph, lay. Murph, lay. Here, record this. I'm gonna give him. Murphy, lay.
Oh,
Stay.
you have to send me a
Oh,
copy.
get 2 pictures. Isn't that cute?
Get a picture.